So Poems just dropped their US trade commission all the way to 0% for the Cash Plus account. And if you have been thinking about using it, but don't know where to start, this is for you. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know on how to use the Poems app. From funding your accounts, setting it up, to buying your first stock, selling it, and finally getting your money back. So let's not waste any time and let's jump right in. Okay, before I jump in, if you don't have a Poems Cash Plus account yet, you can sign up via my link in the description below. Right now, new accounts get up to $1,000 in welcome rewards depending on how much you fund. To qualify, just make sure to opt in to Smart Part during the sign up process. It is basically a feature that automatically lets you earn a return on your idle cash. Now, once your account is approved, the first thing you will need to do is to fund your accounts. Why? Because no money cannot invest lah, duh. So tap on the Me button at the bottom right, then tap Deposit Funds. You can then choose whichever deposit method that's most convenient for you. For this demo, I will just go with Pay Now. They will then ask you how much you wish to deposit. Oh, and if you are going for the welcome rewards, do make sure you deposit at least $3,000 within the first 14 days, yeah? Tap Continue and Poems will generate a Pay Now QR code. Save it, open your bank app, then tap Scan and Pay to scan the code. Then select your accounts you want to pay from. If the amount looks correct, tap Confirm and the funds will usually arrive within 15 minutes. Next, before you buy any stocks or ETFs, there are 3 things we need to enable first. This is so that you will get full access to everything that the platform has to offer. The first one is the WBAN form. Okay, I know the name sounds scary, but it is not. This is basically a form that tells the US government that you are not a US person, so that your accounts can get taxed correctly as a foreign investor. So head over to the Me tab, scroll down till you see the W8 ban button, tap on it. You will then need to fill in your personal details, and when asked about the tax treaty claims, you can just skip that entire section as it is not relevant for Singapore investors. Then tick all the checkboxes in section 3, enter your name and hit continue. You will then need to upload your identification documents as well as proof of address. So just do that. Alright, once that is done, the second thing that you can do is to enable auto currency conversion. This is especially helpful if you are buying US stocks. So to do that, tap on Me, Currency Conversion, then tap on the link beside Multi-Currency Status. Make sure it says Auto Offset, then Submit. Okay, the last one is optional. But if you wish to see live US market prices on Poems, you will need to subscribe to their free market data plan. So open up any US ticker you want, for example QQQ, then tap Subscribe Live Prices. Then look for the one that says US Live Price. Now, it might look as though it will charge you $20 a year, but don't worry. If you qualify as a non-professional investor, meaning if you are not using this for commercial purposes, they will just waive off the fee. So just tap on subscribe, fill in the info, and you are done. Okay, we have finally arrived at the fun part, buying your first stock. So tap on Trade, search for the ticker that you want. I will again go with QQQ. You might see several results, so make sure you select the correct one. Before you tap in, you can also tap on the heart icon beside the ticker to add it to your watch list. This is so that you don't have to keep searching for the ticker every time. For example, I can now see QQQ in my watch list. So just tap into it, then tap Buy. Then choose your order type. The 2 most common order types are Limit Order and Market Order. Limit Order allows you to set the price that you are willing to buy the stock at. This gives you a lot more control over your purchase. For example, QQQ is currently trading at $736. But if I think that the price is too high, I can set a limit price at $700, and the order will only go through once QQQ actually hits that price. Meanwhile, with Market Order, you will buy at whatever price the market gives you at the moment. As for the amounts, you can choose whether you want to buy in number of shares or in dollar amounts. And lastly, for the settlement currency, you can just choose whichever currency you wish to settle your trades in. If you have enabled auto currency conversion earlier, this wouldn't matter so much, as they will just auto convert your currency if you don't have enough currency to settle your trades. Once you are ready, tap Place Buy Market Order. They will then ask you if you wish to opt in to fractional shares. So just opt in, enter your password, review your trade, and if everything is correct, you can just submit your buy order. Once the order goes through, you'll be able to see it by heading over to the Trade tab, then Positions, and meh, my triple Q is here. If you are ready to sell a stock, selling is pretty much the same as buying. To do that, just tap on the holding that you wish to sell, then tap sell. And from here, everything is pretty much the same. You can set your order type and the quantity that you wish to sell. And here's the important part. If you are planning to withdraw in SGD, you can switch the settlement currency to SGD. That way, your USD will get converted automatically back to SGD when the trade settles. Once you are ready, tap Place Sell Market Order. Check through to make sure everything is correct, then confirm. If you wish to check whether the order went through, you can just head over to the Trade tab, and under Orders, you will see all your orders. Lastly, here's how to withdraw your money back to your bank accounts. But first, here's one thing you need to know about. If you have just sold your stock, you won't be able to withdraw the cash straight away. That's because depending on the market, the trade will take anywhere between 1 to 2 business days to settle. This is standard across all brokers and not just Poems, yeah. But anyway, once your money has settled, to withdraw your money, you can just tap on Me, Withdraw Funds, enter the amount you wish to withdraw and where you want to withdraw the money to. Hit Submit, then enter the password to proceed. And if you wish to check the status of your transfer, you can just head over to the History tab to see your transfer. So that was a quick tutorial on how to use Poems. Again, if you have not opened a Poems Cash Plus account yet, you can sign up via my link down below to get up to $1,000 worth of welcome rewards. Anyway, if you found this useful, hit the subscribe button. I put up personal finance content for Singaporeans every week. And if you have any comments, drop them in the comments and I will get back to you.